Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course review according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX intensive training program by CNC Web World. And these are the stats 2300 plus placement partners are there, 100% placement support they are providing, and UAE UX design, why it is best. And it's a roadmap like career guidance are there, HTML, CSS, they are there, AWS, Photoshop, Figma. Figma spelling is wrong, they has mentioned. Adobe XP is there, resume preparation is there, placement is there, and in Mumbai is located. This is the course overview. Portfolio building is there, testing, feedback, wireframing, prototyping, user research, case study is there, certification is there. This is the curriculum, web design, UI UX design, AWS, CID, CD, Docker. It's a dual program like UI UX plus web designing because they are teaching the AWS, CI, CD, and it's a DevOps software. So I think we don't need in the UI UX courses because if we need to learn DevOps, like it's need a separation course. And these are industry projects, features of courses, internship is also there. These are the tools covered like Figma, XP, Photoshop. No AI tools are there. Like they are more focused on DevOps, like CI/CD, Docker, GitHub, and HTML, CSS are the web designing part. So it's not a proper UI UX course. And the placement, companies tied up with student review, nothing else. So it's not a proper UI UX course. Like mm, if you want to learn DevOps plus UI UX, you can pursue, but I will not recommend this course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0.5, user research fundamental is again 0.5, UI design quality is 0, hand-on project is there, so it's 0.5. Tools and software training is 0.5 because many tools are missing in terms of UI UX. Figma HT are there only. So mentorship and feedback is again 0.5. Portfolio development is 0. Placement and career support is 1. And course values fees is 0.5 according to me. Industry relevance update is 0 because it's not a proper UI UX course that I will recommend to you to pursue this course. But this is not a proper UI UX course. If you want to pursue DevOps as UI UX, you can go with that course. So if we count total, it's a 4 out of 10, and I will not recommend this course in terms of proper UI UX learning. There are many better courses which focus the UI UX learning, especially in terms of these parameters. I will add the best UI UX course link in the description. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX course and terms of structure, fundamentals, also helping placement support and career support after completion of course. I can add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.